everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieve the look, then go ahead and keep on watching. And if you guys want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure that you go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Make sure that you hit that bell button and have your post notifications turned on. And if you are located in the United States, then go ahead and comment done down below to be automatically entered. The first thing that I did was I grabbed my Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer and I just used that as primer. So I just applied it all over my eyelid and then I blended it with a damp beauty sponge and then I set it in place with some translucent powder. The eyeshadow palette that I went in with is the Baby Got Peach palette from Colourpop Cosmetics. I've used this palette before and I really like it. I feel like it has really good neutral tones. So if you're someone that's looking for a palette just for everyday makeup looks, I highly recommend this one. So the first shade that I went in with is Darlin', and I just put that in my crease as my transition shade. So I just applied it with a big fluffy blending brush and I just put that in my crease, just going in back and forth motions. Next I went in with the shade Ochre and I just picked that up with a defined angled brush. And something really key that I've been doing is I've been wetting my brush before going in with the crease color. It sounds really strange, but it just makes sure that that shade is super vibrant and pigmented. I mean, it will be pigmented without adding a spray, but it definitely helps if you're struggling to make your eyeshadows look super defined. And then I went back into that first transition shade and I just put that in my crease just to blend that line out, because even though we want definition, we still want it to be nice and blended. And then going back into my Huda Beauty concealer, I just used that to clean up my entire lid area, just so that when I go in with the liquid shadow, it's going to be super easy to tell where I'm going to put it on my lid. And I went in with the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Shadow and I went in with Bamboo Hoops, which is the metal side. And I just applied this. I will say that you have to work really quickly, and the minute that this product dries, you don't want to keep going over it because it will patch. But if you just do a nice even layer quickly before it dries, then it looks really fantastic. And for lashes, I went in with our Sophie Bella lashes, and the style that I used is Barbados, which is currently sold out, but I will leave a link in the description box down below, and we do have a bunch of styles that are still in stock, so definitely check that out. Next, I went in with the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue concealer and I went in with the shade 16. And then I went in with my damp beauty sponge just to blend that out. And then I set it with some translucent powder. And when I apply my translucent powder, I make sure that I do stippling motions and not swiping motions, because then you're just going to be taking that product off. And then moving on to my lower lash line, I went in with the shade Darlin' and I just put that on my lower lash line, mainly focusing it on the outer corner just to open up the inner part of the eye. And the last thing that I did was I applied some lower lash mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. That would help us out a lot. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Making it brighter, right through the gray.